How to fix lag and Wi-Fi error on Brawl Stars. If you're playing Brawl Stars and your network connection is not stable, or even if it's good, the game is lagging, I can show you how to fix it. So first you have to go to your Brawl Star and go to its app info. From here you can allow all of these permissions. So once they are allowed, what you can do is go to storage, and from storage you can try to clear your cache, and it will delete all of the unnecessary junk files that might be causing the lag. So once you do that, you can go to mobile data. So once you are here, make sure that this is turned on, that you can allow it while data saver is on, because sometimes when your data saver is enabled, it will not properly allow the app to use your data. So make sure it's turned on. And once you do that, in most of the cases, the problem should be fixed. But if it still doesn't fixes the problem, what you can do is go to your settings, go to your connections, and from here go to your mobile networks. Here, yeah, you can search for access point names. So depending on your Android device, it will vary from settings. So from uh, it might be a different setting on your device. So try to find this settings or similar to this. And from here, tap on the three dots and simply tap on reset to default. After you do this, your mobile data should run smoothly and your game should not be lagging anymore. And that's how you can fix your lag and Wi-Fi error on Brawl Stars. Hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.